Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Fight Hair Loss at Home. So, if you are experiencing hair thinning or hair loss, you've come to the right place. So, I have another food for you to learn about how it's going to help you. It's actually persimmon. Look at that beautiful color. Again, anything that has a color in it protects the cells with its antioxidants. Okay, here's the persimmon. That's what it looks like. Okay, delicious, sweet, and it's going to help. And we're going to talk about how. But before we even talk about that, just a reminder that if you are experiencing hair loss, especially if it's recent hair loss, and you are wearing any type of hair extensions, lace fronts, weaves, um, wigs, and you are experiencing hair loss, just know that those products might actually be contributing to the hair loss. So it would be counterproductive to wear them and try these natural solutions. So I would suggest and recommend that you use the nutrition here, while and take the extensions out so that you can have the best possible results. Okay, that being said, we're going to talk about persimmons. Okay, so this one is actually, it's a fuyu persimmon, and this one you can eat when it's hard. You don't have to wait until it turns soft. The other one looks just like a tomato, looks exactly like a tomato, but you have to wait until that one is ripe. If you do not wait, and you bite into it, it'll glue your mouth shut and your teeth will go on edge. It's awful. Don't do it. Okay, that one, don't confuse the two. The one that looks like a tomato, you have to wait until it's soft. Okay, this one, the fuyu one, you can eat it just like this, hard or ripe. It doesn't matter, but you won't have that horrible effect. I forget what that's called, but yeah, don't do that. Okay, so let's talk about our wonderful persimmon and how does it prevent hair damage. Okay, so first of all, it's full of vitamins A and C, and so that's for the strength of the hair, that's for collagen production. So you can imagine it's also good for your skin. It contains antioxidants, again due to that gorgeous orange color, which is beta carotene, and it protects against damage to the cells and to the hair, which is made up of cells. Okay, so it's rich in minerals such as iron and zinc for follicle health. Oh, yeah, zinc is very good for follicles. Okay, so this is how it promotes growth. The nutrients in the persimmons stimulates blood flow to the scalp. So it's going to bring its wonderful nutrition directly where it's needed, which is to the follicles. And again, you can you can intensify the effects by eating the persimmon and also applying it to your scalp. And I'm going to tell you how in a little bit. Okay, yes. So the nutrients in the persimmon stimulates blood flow to the scalp. Studies on persimmon leaf extract also found that it helped to improve hair density and thickness. So that's this part, the leaf. Okay, so I would suggest, if you can't get organic, if you can get it from farmers market, if not, then just thoroughly wash the leaves, or look and see if you can buy the leaves at a health food store, Amazon, that sort of thing. Okay, but the leaves, the persimmon leaf extract is found, studies were done, and it's found to help improve hair density and thickness. So that's a good thing. That's what we want. Okay, it also helps to reduce breakage by strengthening the hair shaft. So that's good. Hair shaft gets stronger, not weaker. Okay, it balances scalp health. It removes scalp buildup. So that's helpful to the follicle as well, so that the follicle doesn't get clogged and the hair can't sprout through. So it helps to remove buildup on the scalp. Very good thing. It also helps to restore shine to the hair. So you can use this by including it in your diet. You can eat it fresh. They are delicious. If you haven't tried it, try it. Fresh persimmons are delicious. You can also drink the persimmon leaves as a tea. And as I mentioned, rinse thoroughly. Add 5 to 7 healthy leaves. Organic is best. You pour the hot water over them, steep for a few minutes, and the taste is described as sweet and spicy. You can serve it hot or cold, and it's optional. You can add honey, maple syrup, agave syrup, some other natural sweetener, or lemon. Okay, so again, we talked about the flat ones, the fuyu. You can eat them hard or ripe, it doesn't matter. But the ones that are shaped almost like a tear, almost almost like a teardrop, but they look just like tomatoes. Yeah, wait until those are ripe. And the darker or the redder, the better. The redder, they're like sometimes they're orangey red, but that vibrant color, you want that. Okay. Um, Okay, yeah. So as usual, for more details, research this. Go to Google. There's a lot of information on there, how you can jam, you can turn them into jam, you can make pies and that sort of thing. But fresh, I think, is best for for what we need it to do, which is to stimulate hair growth. Okay, so thank you very much for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful or beneficial, please remember to give me a like, a thumbs up, some comments, and please subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.